television's most iconic daily soap, Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, is making a grand return after 25 years, that too in the year of 2025, so numerical significance over there. And yes, Smriti Irani is back as Tulsi Virani. The first promo unveiled by director Ekta Kapoor features both Smriti as well as Amar Upadhyay reprising their iconic roles as Tulsi Virani and in fact Mihir. The teaser opens with a family reminiscing about the original show, followed by a nostalgic shot of Tulsi watering the sacred Tulsi plant. Smriti then breaks the fourth wall, announcing Tulsi's return to the screens. The reboot promises, in fact, to retain the emotional depth of the original, while embracing contemporary themes of the show as well. Joining the cast are, of course, the OGs Hiten Tejwani and Gauri Pradhan, adding to the nostalgia of old Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. In fact, the season 2 premieres on July 29th at 10:30 p.m. We in fact also spoke exclusively to Ekta Kapoor about the new Tulsi Virani avatar during our UAE Global Summit of 2025. This is what Ekta Kapoor had to say to us. Listen in.
Did see the picture that you've posted with Mrs. Smriti Irani, and I have watched a lot of your shows.
Ooh, and especially the price tag that goes with it.
Back then, we used to see a lot of Gharelu women, the domestic women. Nowadays, we look at you venturing out to the OTT platform. We are looking at more of the modern and bold women. So the concept in your shows has slightly changed. So are we looking? Are we going to look at Tulsi Virani, but the modern version?
And is Mihir going to live a little longer?
I just want to say that it's the modernity of a woman is not about how she wears her clothes. So Tulsi is going to be extremely modern, but she's still going to wear a sari because that's her favorite form of clothing. And I think she's as conservative, as modern as any of us are. She is a all-involving woman, and I don't know if ever I brought Kyunki back, I would definitely make Tulsi talk about the most essential thing about women today, and that is parenting in times where you multitasking like this. So I'm not saying that we'll ever get the show back, but if it ever did, Tulsi will change the way she looks at parenting.